is super easy to open a trading and Demat account at Upstox. The process can be completed online in just 15 minutes. I will show you step-by-step account opening process along with screenshots for better understanding. Let's have a quick look at the charges. Account opening is completely free. AMC, that is annual maintenance charge, is only rupees 150. The brokerage plan is the cheapest in India. Delivery orders are completely free for rest all kind of segments, that is intraday, futures and options, commodity and currency. You pay 0.01% or rupees 20, whichever is lower. Before opening the account, you need to arrange scanned copies of these documents: your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, one cancelled check or first page of bank passbook, last 6 months bank statement, your signature on a piece of paper, and a passport size photo. Now let's go ahead and open your Upstox account. Enter your email ID, your desired password and mobile number. Then click on sign up. Next page will look like this. Enter your PAN card number and date of birth. Then click on next. In next page, you will be asked to enter some basic details. You will have to tick your gender, marital status and annual income. In trading experience, you will have to tick for how many years you have been investing in stock market. You can tick less than 1 year if you are a newcomer. In politically exposed, we will advise you to tick no. Then select your occupation from the drop-down menu. Then enter your father's or spouse's name. Then click on next. In following page, for choose segment to trade in, keep the ticks on equity, FO and currency and commodity. For choose a leverage plan on equity cash, I will advise you to select basic. You can also select priority if you want higher margin. Then click on next. The following page will look like this. Click on yes to get one stock completely free from Upstox as an account opening gift. In next page, you have to enter your bank details and upload bank proof. Enter IFSC code, bank account number and then re-enter bank account number. Then tick account type as savings. You will also have to upload scanned copy of cancelled check or last 6 months bank account statement. Then click on next. You will have to upload scanned image of your signature in signature option. In income proof option, upload last 6 months bank account statement or salary slip or income tax return. Then click on next. In next page, you will have to enter your address details. Please note, enter the same address that is mentioned in your Aadhaar card. Enter flat number or house number or building number, colony, street or locality, city or town and PIN code. Select state from drop down menu. Now upload front and back side scanned images of your Aadhaar card in Aadhaar front side and Aadhaar back side boxes respectively. Then click on next. The following page will look like this. You will have to upload scanned image of your PAN card and passport size photo in the 2 boxes respectively. Then click on next. The next page will look like this. If your Aadhaar card is not linked with mobile, then click on I will courier this form. If your Aadhaar card is linked with mobile number, click on e-sign with Aadhaar OTP. This process is faster to open your account online without any paperwork. A new tab like this will open. Click on Aadhaar Virtual ID Generation page as shown. A new tab like this will open. Enter your Aadhaar number and then the CAPTCHA verification code shown next to box. Then click on Send OTP. You will get OTP in your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and then click on Submit. Your VID number will be sent to your mobile. Now come back to the page in previous step. Click on e-sign. A pop-up like this will appear. Enter the VID number that you received in your mobile number in previous step and then Click on Submit. Next page will look like this. Click on Sign Now. The following page will look like this. Enter your Aadhaar number. Tick on I hereby authorize NSDL e-governance. Then click on Request OTP. You will receive OTP in your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Enter that OTP and click on Submit. Next page will look like this. You can invite your friends from there under Refer and Earn program and earn unlimited passive income for your lifetime. Now is the final step. Here you have to do IPV verification. For PAN IPV, record a selfie video with your original PAN card and upload that video by clicking on Upload Video. For Aadhaar IPV, record a selfie video with your original Aadhaar card showing both front and back side and upload that. Finally, click on Next. You'll be receiving a mail from Upstox. Download and take printout of the nomination and POF forms from that mail. Nomination form is required to mention your nominee in case of any unfortunate event. POF form is necessary if you want to sell shares that were purchased in delivery mode. After signing these forms, send them to the address mentioned in the mail. That's it. Your account will be activated in 2-3 hours. Happy investing? Do comment if you get stuck anywhere in between in the process.